Hi, I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted. In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to crochet this easy, lightweight triple crochet market bag step by step. This is the perfect project if you're ready to practice triple crochet in a fun and practical way. It works up quickly, has a beautiful open texture, and is so useful for farmers markets, beach days, or just carrying your favorite yarn. Grab your yarn and hook and let's crochet it together. Here's what you'll need. 220 to 250 yards of worsted weight cotton yarn, a size 5mm H crochet hook, yarn needles, scissors, and stitch markers. I'm using 100% cotton yarn for strength and stretch. It holds up beautifully with everyday use. Start with a foundation chain of 41. This will be the width of the bag's base. You can make it wider or narrower by adding or subtracting chains. Skip the first 4 chains and treble crochet into the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This turning chain counts as your first stitch, and then you just worked your second stitch. Work a treble crochet in each chain to the end. When you finish the row, you'll have 38 stitches, including the turning chain. To start row 2, you're going to chain 4. That counts as the first stitch. Turn your work, and you're going to skip the first stitch because the turning chain counts as a stitch, and work into the second. So work a treble into the second stitch. And in each stitch across to the end. The last stitch of row 2 will be worked into the top of the turning chain from the previous row. Now you repeat row 2 until you have a total of 26 rows. When you've completed your 26 rows, you're going to fold the bag in half. With your front side showing. If you'd like a deeper, longer bag, you just add more rows. To seam the sides, we're going to work single crochet evenly up each side. When you're doing it, make sure you go through both thicknesses of the bag. So just line up your corners. Start with the slip knot. Attach your yarn, and then just start working single crochets all the way down the length of the side. When you get to the end, fasten off, weave in your ends, and repeat the same thing on the other side. Now that you have the body of the bag made, let's make the handles. You're going to start with a chain of 5. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and in each chain to the end. Chain 1, turn your work, and work a single crochet in each stitch. You'll have 4 single crochets in each row. You're going to repeat this till you have 40 rows total, and you're going to make 2 handles. When you have your handles made, now it's time to attach them to the bag. To attach the handles to the bag, count 10 stitches in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and place a stitch marker. Do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place your stitch marker. Grab your handle and thread your yarn needle. So you're going to place the handle at that stitch marker. And sew it on using a whip stitch. Then you're just going to weave in your ends. You're going to repeat the same thing on this side and with the second handle on the other side of the bag. And that's it, your very own handmade triple crochet market bag. You practiced a new stitch, built something functional, and created something you can actually use. How cool is that? If you love this project, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. And don't forget, you can join my free beginner crochet course where we go stitch by stitch through projects just like this one. I'm so proud of you. Keep stitching, and I'll see you in the next video.